Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to add your phone number on the application of REDnote. You will go to the application REDnote as you see and you will enter. In this page, you will find this sign of login and you will click here. Then you will find here login with mobile number. You will add your phone number, but before that we click this sign here of country code. You will choose your country code. For example, for United States, you will choose here +1 and you will add. Then you will add your phone number like this and here you click on login. When we click on login, then you will wait a moment to get your verified code and then you will add your verified code here or a code verification of this number here in this page, and then you can know how to log in with your phone number or how to add your phone number on the application of REDnote. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.